Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Kahoot in your classroom and how I'm going to use Kahoot in my future classroom as well. So I started by Googling Kahoot, and I'm going to click on this link because this is the Kahoot link. And now I'm going to sign up for free. So I'm going to click right here where it says sign up for free. And I have already signed up as a teacher, and this right here, this prompts you to either create your own Kahoot, where you can add images, videos, and then create a multiple choice type question for your students, or you could do true or false as well, how they'll answer it on their iPads, phones, whatever they choose, laptops. Kahoot is compatible with all types of technology. So once you create a quiz, you can assign it to a class with a code. But you can also host a game, so you can use games that have already been made. Once you create a class with Google Classroom, you can assign them with the code. So to make this process a little faster, so that students don't have to go on Kahoot, type in the code, you could just share them the link with them themselves. And then this will be like where you have made all your Kahoots. So right here are all the Kahoots that you can create, or you could save them, or you can have them shared with you. You can make drafts, you can have favorites and things like that. And then once you have a Google Classroom class added here, you'll be able to see your class's reports. So if you have a list of numerous questions that you've given to your class with the game, you could see where students are excelling with the questions and then not doing as well, so that you could take those questions and put more focus on them so that students can understand that topic with that question. So it's very helpful for that. I also think it's just a fun, creative tool to get students engaged while using their technology that they use every day. So it makes them more inclined to want to do the work rather than them feeling like they have to do a book report or something that's not as fun for them. So I hope you use this in your future classroom. Thank you so much.